I am cleaning the food forest and I moved a thing and I just found these. I don't know if you can see them. There's some sort of worms. They're kind of dormant. I don't know what they are, but the chickens are gonna love them. Hi girl, I have a treat for you. Oh, don't jump.